Hey boo, so this is Nikki's the One. I am going to be doing an unboxing with a few packages that I got. I went to, where did I go? MORPHE. So that's what this unboxing is going to be about. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nikki. This is Nikki's the One. Let's get it. Okay, so y'all know that I love shopping and I rather shop online than shop in stores most of the time. So if it's not my foundation that I haven't done a ton of reviews looking at on YouTube, or going into the store and testing it out and they not having it, that's the only time I want to go in the store mainly. But most of the time I shop online. So that's what this video is going to be about. A few of the things that I got, a few of the stores that I went to. So the first store is going to be morphe.com. Morphe, however you want to say it. But most of anyone that knows Morphe knows that they're known for their eyeshadow palettes and their brushes. Now, I just recently got their eyeshadow palette about a few months ago, and I mean, they're okay, but it really didn't impress me. I got two of them. The first one is 35B, and they're really cheap. Like, you can go online, I think they're like $18, but I like this one because it's so pigmented. It has a wide range of bold colors, and that's why I liked it. And this is 35B. I have 35N. Let's see what this one is about. This is more of the earthy toned colors. It has a few plums. It has mainly earth tone colors, the browns. My favorite, if you want to talk about favorites for eyeshadow palettes, has been the Ace Beauty and Quintessence palette. I found this on Instagram. My friend told me about this, and they have some very pigmented colors, very vibrant colors. It's so much you can do with this palette. And yeah, check it out if you haven't already. Yeah, so let's get to it. For the sake of this video, this has been my favorite place to get my eyelashes from, and I've been down to like no eyelashes on standby. I always have lashes on standby, and I looked up and I didn't have any. So yeah, this is generally where I get my lashes. Most of their lashes are $12 and under. They're very affordable 3D mink lashes. And yeah, I got a whole bunch of different kinds. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. This is So Glamorous. This is how they look. So Glamorous. This is Bombshell. This is actually my favorite lashes so far. I haven't tried the ones that I just showed you guys, but this is my favorite lashes. So Bombshell. They're so gorgeous. Heartbreaker. I don't think I had these before, so these are new ones that I'm trying out. I also got their brow pencils, and this one is in the color Chocolate Mousse. This is how it looks, and it has the spoolie on one end, which I love. I love their spoolies. And then this is their pencil. It's $5, and it normally works wonder for my brows. That is the Chocolate Mousse. This next one is Mocha. This is a brown color too. I just didn't know which brown I wanted, and sometimes I like to switch it up, so I just got both. And again, these are $5. Again, the same thing. It has the spoolie on the end. And this Mocha is actually like a true brown. See the comparison? That this is the Mocha, and this is the Chocolate Mousse. So this is like a true brown. This is a dark brown. Yeah, so that is what I got from Morphe. It came within I would say a good three to five business days is how long it's gonna take. So get yourselves ready for that. But yeah, that's where I get my lashes from for now. If you guys have any good websites or great places to get your lashes, or you have any favorite lashes to go to, write it down in the comment box below. I'm really interested to know so I can try them out. But yeah, those are my favorite for now.